Hey there, fellow self-publishers. Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to make some serious passive with KDP ebooks, you're in the right place. So let's get started. Our first niche is the unicorn coloring book for kids. It has a niche score of 52, which means it's in high demand with less competition. There are over 1,300 results indicating a healthy market. The average bestseller rank is 39,000, and books in this niche have an average of 2,000 reviews. Priced at $5.60, it's affordable for your audience. Let's look at an example. A best-selling book in this niche makes 81 daily sales, resulting in a daily profit of $116 daily, and 2,430 sales and $3,509 of profit monthly. A huge profit by just one book. Our next niche, the sports cars coloring book for kids. It has a niche score of 51, indicating strong demand. And there are 4,800 results, but don't be intimidated. The average BSR is 495,000, and books in this niche have an average of 2,000 reviews, which means people are highly interested in this niche. Priced at $8.10, it offers a promising profit margin. And a bestseller makes 240 sales and $845 of profit monthly. Our next niche is the mermaid coloring book for kids. It has a niche score of 68, showcasing strong demand with just over 1,100 results. The average BSR here is a promising 68,000, and these books flaunt an average of 1,400 reviews. Priced at $7.10, it's just right. Here's the catch. A best-selling book in this niche has 114 daily sales, tallying up to a daily profit of $113. And 3,420 sales, and a staggering $3,399 of profit monthly. Now let's talk about our fourth niche, business plan workbook. It also flaunts a niche score of 68, indicating substantial demand. With 264 results, it's a more specialized market. The average BSR stands at 737,000, and these books typically have around 400 reviews. Priced at $20, it's on the higher side. And a bestseller in this niche rakes in 9 daily sales, resulting in a daily profit of $40. Monthly, that's 270 sales and a satisfying $1,207 of profit. Last but certainly not least, we have the Career Planning for Teens workbook niche, boasting an impressive niche score of 85. This niche is in high demand, with over 800 results to explore. The average BSR hovers around 234,000, and books here have an average of 279 reviews. Priced at $14, it's quite accessible. In this niche, a bestseller secures 15 daily sales, leading to a daily profit of $80. Monthly, that's 450 sales and a $2,417 of huge profit. With its high niche score, it's an excellent choice for those looking to publish in-demand content. There you have it, the inside scoop on the top 5 highly profitable Amazon KDP niche. These niches offer fantastic opportunities to make money. Remember, it's all about those higher niche scores, fewer results, lower BSRs, more reviews, and competitive pricing. If you found it valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.